Click subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content, and we'll keep you up to date as much as we can with upcoming videos. Welcome to another episode of Smithy's Garage. So what we're going to do today is basically crack on with this light. As you know from the previous episode, someone had bashed it, well, the previous owner bashed it up against a pole or whatever, and it's just like cracked the light and it's pushed the bumper in. We're not going to fix the bumper because we're going to sell the car as is. It's pointless turning this into an absolute gorgeous car for the money. It's going to be at least 2-3 grand car at best. Why spend another, what, 600 quid replacing panels and painting up? It's pointless. Use the car as is. If the next owner wants to do that, they can do, and they can do that off their own back. But this car is pretty much pristine underneath, barring age-related marks. She's pretty good to go. As if you haven't seen the previous episode, click on the link above, and it'll show you basically the method of how we got the thing fixed, and very, very cheaply. It cost about 40 quid in relays. But like I said, we're going to crack on today and we're going to do this light. So spin around and we'll crack on with this now. The light there, there's a massive crack here, and what moisture's getting in and it's tripping the electrics out. So what we're going to do is replace this full unit. The units are about 40 odd quid, but we've got one pretty much for free. Well, actually you've got twice, one off a mate and one off another mate. So we've got a set of lights and the light. So we've got spares. So what we're going to do is change these ones. As you can see, they're pretty past it. You know, the lens itself is gone like a brittle plastic because the sun's attacked it. But as you can see from the mess down here, you can see where by the looks, he's just used it as a fucking battling ram, but it hasn't cracked the bumper, so a good rub down the paint, it'll probably be good to go. But we have not got the time to do that, so what I'm going to do is get this done, and basically get the car advertised. It's in the way, it's costing me money to be fair, storing it. So right, let's crack on with it and move to the next stage. Trims here, right, you can pull these out, so what I'm going to do is stick a screwdriver in there, and as you can see the whole unit pops out. But what we need to be is behind this panel, so what we're going to have to do, as you can see from the screws in there, normally these are Torx head, but on this one, because it's an early edition model, the Pozies. So what we're going to do is do this. As you can see from the state of the carpet, he's just used the car as a pig's tail. You should have seen how much rubbish we pulled out. It was horrendous. So we're going to get this up and running and move to the next stage.
Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
As you can see, look at the busted clips here, and it's got quite a few by the looks of it. So what you do is just stick the screwdriver in there, push it forward, and then you pull it back. As you can see from the light, look how damaged it is. I bet you if I opened that up it would be a mess inside. So what we're going to do is get the other light. So these are the new lights. Obviously you can get it with yada yada yada. So what we're going to do is separate the back of this one. So we're just going to basically separate the back of this one. As you can see, someone's like weirdly put the seal in. So I don't get why they've done it that way, but they have. So as you can see, the seal that sits in there, and I've just jammed it. So what we're going to do basically just try and push it back in. It's like a foam strip. It is not rubber, it's foam, and clearly it's been out before. Check all the bulbs. All the bulbs are fine. As you can see by all the hardware, it's fine. So all we're doing now is just basically putting it like that and just making sure everything is locked down. So you want to make sure everything
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
is just check the connections, make sure that all the pins are fine, which they are. Now what we're going to do is attach this and make sure that it clips like that, a little dunk. So make sure all this is fine. As you can see, it's previously bust stuff off. Probably only banged it, but as you can see behind all here, all this is fine. There's no breaks in there, there's no rust up there, so it hasn't disturbed anything when he's hit it. So I think relatively he's hit stuff at a very, very, very low speed.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Right, so what we're going to do now is just open the shutter. Sorry about the noise. We're going to put that pressure washer out the way. It's a freaking nightmare. And what we're going to do is, let's see if she starts up and stays started up. So let's have a look. Got a massive bunch of keys. And bloody amount that this car takes is ridiculous. Alright, so let's give this a go. Oh, got power. No way! Idling well now. So what we'll do is just pull that forward a bit. Make sure that we don't do our bonnet on the shutter. As you can see, is it gonna hit? Is it gonna hit? Is it gonna hit? Bloody door open. So we've got the door down. As you can see, she's running absolutely spot on. So it's just test drive, which I've got confidence in it, because like I said, it was cutting out all the time. So I have a lot of confidence in this now. We'll run it this week and I'll keep you up to date with it. But let's just pull it out a sec. I'll make sure everything works. But yeah, I think that's it, guys. It's all done. So I think she's ready to go. Oh, there's a piece of glass to put in there and all that I need to sort. So yes, let's go from there. Alright guys, I think it's all done. Let's just see if the MMI system boots up, see if she works up. Oh yes, look at that. Sat nav. CD. Look at that. Cool. All done. So right. There's nothing else to do barring clean it up and get her out the door. So night guys. Have a good weekend.